Hey guys, Jason here on the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being a subscriber. Well, we made it. Happy New Year 2023. So we're doing a tradition we do every year, and that is the first day hike. They do it all across the United States. This year we are at Cape Henlopen State Park down in Lewes, Delaware, and we're walking the point, which for part of the year it's closed for nesting birds. So it's pretty cool to walk the Cape and find some shells. We got some shells here, and just enjoy first day of the year. It's actually beautiful, beautifully sunny. It's in the 50s, so we're not doing too bad.
Roll call.
Let's show what you got.
We got some treasures. And wait, there's some coral in here too. Pretty coral.
That's coral?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, and then a lot of scallops, a little thistle guy.
I found a few.
Pretty. Oh.
How'd you do?
Guys, the horses are back. And then kitty coral.
Aww.
Cool rock. The horses are back. Now I didn't find anything.
How are you? So guys, you gotta love it. Maggie's friend Summer.
Hi.
They go to school together. She's actually watching an episode of the Minto Show
I'm a real fan.
while we're filming an episode of the Minto Show.
That's me.
So I love it. She's actually watching the episode of Maggie getting her driver's license. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
So thanks, Summer.
Yep.
So looking back at 2022, we saw some growth in the channel. So I just want to, welcome everyone that joined, and I thank you for being a subscriber. I really appreciate it. You guys keep me going, keep me producing content, and hopefully some of it's interesting to you. And maybe if you have a friend or family wants is interested in a topic, make sure you pass it along. But can't wait to get some new subscribers this coming year. I'm hoping to get 1,000. And hopefully I want to come out with a clothing line at the end of the year. As long as we hit 1,000, I'd like to come out with some hoodies and shirts and t-shirts and hats and all that good stuff. Maybe some stickers. So, but I just wish you guys the best in 2023. Hopefully you'll get out there and get after it, get some projects done. Hopefully you and your family will have a blessed year with good health and prosperity. And just hope you get what you want in your life and work hard for it. All right guys, so we're about at the end of the hike. Looks like we did about 2.5 miles. We just took our time. Just a nice relaxing hike on the first day of 2023. So. All right guys, so now we're on our second hike of the day. We're probably a good 12 miles south, down by the Indian River Inlet, just south of Dewey Beach, just north of Bethany Beach. And this is a quick one. It's probably less than 2 miles. We're gonna go across a big bridge, the Indian River Inlet Bridge. So should be a good time. Here we go. So it was like a half a mile across, so we'll go a half a mile back. So a little over a mile, so not too bad. They call it a sunset hike. So I'm hoping when we're done here, it's gonna be a beautiful sunset. I brought the drone, maybe get some footage. So hopefully I'll leave you with that. All right, guys, so we left our mark, and hope you enjoyed the drone footage. The surfer guy, he liked the footage, so he was hammering up for the camera. So. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the hiking videos. I hope you went out and enjoyed a hike for yourself, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.